Hi guys! So I got home today and found a package in my mailbox. I don't actually know what company this is from because I had ordered a bunch of stuff. So let's get to open it. Come along for the ride. Yeah, I have ordered from like 3 or 4 places right now, and that means I don't know who this is from since there's no name. No name on this little bugger. But I have scissors, and if I'm careful, hopefully whatever's inside I won't cut. But I think it's closed because it's mushy. So it must be closed. So hopefully it'll be something that I really have been wanting for a while here. I think this is my Romwe order. If it is, it came really fast. I mean, I like the fact that everything came together. So I had ordered essentially 3 outfits, and that kind of looks like what it is. Yes, yes, it is my Romwe order. So essentially, I had placed an order, and for it was like $50, I got 3 outfits. So let's see what this stuff looks like. Okay, I just dropped something. Oh, my cat's already in the bag. Dobby's. Oh, Dobby! Okay, so this is the first item. So it's a skirt. It's weird. These items feel a little damp. It must be because it was just so freaking hot today. So first skirt. And then there's top. I'm pretty sure this was a top. I ordered like a pheasantine type embroidered top. So there is the little top. That's really, really cute. And then this is another skirt. I ordered all skirts because I wear skirts more often than I wear anything else. Oh, this has a tie too. So there's a tie. Oh, it buttons down the front. This skirt does. Let me button it really quick so we can see. So that's actually cute, and the fabric on this is pretty thick, not thin. I mean, it's still like, you know, a polyester probably, but pretty nice. Oh, and that's what these are, the straps. So it's like a little apron skirt. So there's that. And I think this is a top. Open this up and see. Yes. This is a little tee. See that? With very cute. Oh, dandelions. Woof, woof. Can't wait. I can't wait to try this one on. Okay, so that. A gold sweater. I swear sometimes I don't remember ordering this stuff, you know what I mean? I don't know what the gold sweater's supposed to go to. Oh yeah, it is a gold sweater. It's a cropped sweater with embroidery down the arms. Now, it's gonna be probably too warm to wear this soon, because our weather is getting hotter and hotter, but in in a couple months we'll be going to Norway, and this should be just perfect for evenings in Norway. So, and I think pretty much everything I got was kind of like a mix and match stuff. So the last should be this skirt. So 3 tops, 3 skirts, and then I'll just put together, you know, 3 little outfits so that you can see what they look like. Okay, and then this is the next little skirt. Okay, so now I'm going to try these on. So I did size up, and I feel like this top is a little tight. The skirt fits really well though. So the skirt's just fine, but the top, I don't know. I feel like if the top shrunk any, I wouldn't be able to wear it. But overall, I would say that so far to me, Romwe, so if Wish was like the dollar store, Romwe would be more like Target, maybe in between Target and Walmart. So very inexpensive, but the quality is a lot better. So this is the second outfit, or first outfit. Let's go to the second. So second outfit, the top is really cute with the embroidery and stuff on it, but I have to say, even though this fabric looks like it would be stretchy fabric, it really doesn't stretch. I mean, not at all. So it's a little snug. Ugh. The dog. And then the skirt has got, you know, the paper bag waist. It's a little crinkly. I'm sure just hanging after a while this will release. So this is the second outfit. Not too bad, but I really didn't expect this top to be quite this color gold. It didn't look quite this bright at all on the website. So now off to do outfit number 3. So this one is the third outfit with a little top and the skirt that has the straps on it. I actually kind of like this one the best, though this one also shows I need to lose a little up top. I'm a little top heavy. So anyways, this one is super cute, and I'm sure I can wear, you know, other tops and stuff with it that'll look really cute. Maybe the little cropped puff sleeve top would look nice with this, and probably also the sweater. Whew, and it's getting hot. Oh my gosh. I think this outfit I could wear in this weather, but the middle outfit number 2, oh my gosh, it's wrong season. Oh, I do like this little cute top. So anyways, if you're going to order from Romwe, I suggest that, you know, definitely size up. I mean, it doesn't make sense not to size up, because these clothes most likely are from China. The sizing is just so small on stuff, and even if you're tiny, I mean, when I was really tiny, I still, you know, had to order, you know, smalls and mediums, where here in the US sizes, I was like an extra small. That was back when I was like a size 0. Yeah, not happening anymore. So anyways, yeah, I would definitely give Romwe a try. I would give them a rating of about 7 out of 10. So that's not too bad for clothes that are coming from China. I have a couple other orders that are still due to come in, and we'll see what I got and whether they're any good and how they rack up to the Romwe. So you guys take care, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know, you know, what your experiences with Romwe have been. Hit me that like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Even if you don't like clothes, I've got cat videos and more kitten videos coming up. So you take care, guys. Bye-bye.